You clicked on this video for a reason: to fix the Roblox app crashing when opening Fish It on mobile in 2026 so you can actually get in game instead of getting kicked instantly. I got you, so stick with me. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss fixes like this. First, lower your Roblox graphics before joining. Open Roblox settings, switch graphics mode to manual, and drop it to 1 to 2 bars. Fish It loads a lot of effects and assets at startup, and high graphics can crash the app before the game finishes loading. Next, fully restart Roblox. Don't just back out. Close the app completely, wait a few seconds, then reopen Roblox and try Fish It again. Mobile cache buildup is one of the biggest causes of instant crashes. Now, free up device memory, close every background app before launching Roblox. If your phone is low on RAM, Fish It can crash as soon as it starts loading models and UI. If it still crashes, switch servers. Tap the servers tab and join a different one. Some servers bug out after updates or spikes in players, and switching servers fixes it immediately. For iPhone users, make sure low power mode is off. Power saving throttles performance and can cause Roblox games to crash on load. On Android, disable battery optimization for Roblox if it's enabled. One more fix that works fast: log out of Roblox, log back in, then rejoin Fish It. This refreshes your session and fixes account side loading crashes. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your phone model and exactly when it crashes, and I'll help you fix it.